If you want 2025 to be the year you transform your financial future, the right investments are your key to unlocking massive growth and stability. Today, I'll guide you through the top strategies to grow your wealth and achieve financial freedom. This isn't guesswork. These are expert-backed insights tailored for the opportunities ahead. First, let's talk about index funds and ETFs. These are perfect for those seeking steady long-term growth. They offer diversification and minimal risk by spreading your money across top-performing companies. In 2025, consider ETFs focusing on technology, green energy, and emerging markets, sectors poised for explosive growth. Real estate remains a cornerstone of wealth building. While the market fluctuates, the demand for properties, especially rental units in urban hubs, continues to grow. You don't need millions to start. Real estate crowdfunding platforms allow you to invest with smaller amounts, letting you tap into this lucrative market. Artificial intelligence and tech startups are reshaping industries. If you're ready to take calculated risks, investing in AI-focused companies or tech startups can bring exponential returns. Research companies disrupting healthcare, logistics, and finance, as these fields are brimming with innovation. Another major trend to watch is cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Bitcoin and Ethereum remain solid long-term bets, but 2025 will also highlight practical blockchain applications like decentralized finance, DeFi. Diversify your crypto portfolio, but ensure you're educated about the risks before diving in. Dividend stocks are the hidden gems of passive income. Companies with strong, reliable dividend payouts provide consistent cash flow while your investments appreciate in value. Look for sectors like utilities, consumer goods, or pharmaceuticals to balance your portfolio. Don't underestimate the power of investing in yourself. Building skills in demand, like coding, digital marketing, or financial analysis, can dramatically increase your earning potential. Consider this: every dollar you spend on personal development can return exponentially when applied strategically. Lastly, diversify across asset classes. Don't rely on one investment type. Spread your money across stocks, real estate, gold, and alternative investments to minimize risks and maximize growth. The best investments for 2025 aren't just about money. They're about positioning yourself for opportunities and ensuring a secure future. The sooner you act, the faster your wealth can grow. Start today, stay consistent, and you'll be amazed by the transformation when 2025 ends. Let me know in the comments which investment you're most excited about. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs to grow their wealth this year. Let's secure financial freedom together. Robert Kiyosaki, the author of Rich Dad Poor Dad, has shared timeless principles that revolutionize the way we think about money, wealth, and financial independence. His ideas can help you accelerate your journey to financial freedom in 2025 and beyond. One of Kiyosaki's core beliefs is that your mindset about money is more powerful than the amount of money you currently have. Wealthy people focus on acquiring assets that generate passive income, while the middle class and poor often accumulate liabilities that drain their finances. To follow his advice, start identifying opportunities to purchase assets like real estate, dividend-paying stocks, or small businesses that create cash flow. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of financial education. According to him, the reason so many people struggle financially is that they've been taught to work hard for money but never how to make money work for them. Start by learning the basics of investing, tax strategies, and understanding market trends. The more financially literate you are, the better decisions you'll make with your money. He also highlights the power of leverage. This doesn't just mean borrowing money but leveraging resources like other people's time, expertise, and networks. Wealthy people understand the value of collaboration and delegation to scale their efforts and create more opportunities for income. Kiyosaki is a strong advocate of entrepreneurship. While having a job provides stability, starting a business can create true financial freedom. Think of ways to provide value, solve problems, or tap into untapped markets. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter and building systems that generate income even when you're not actively involved. Another critical principle is embracing calculated risks. Kiyosaki believes that playing it safe financially often leads to missed opportunities. Whether it's investing in a new asset class, starting a venture, or entering a competitive market, taking informed risks is how wealth is built. Lastly, Kiyosaki stresses the need to surround yourself with the right people. Your network can significantly impact your financial journey. Learn from mentors, build relationships with successful individuals, and engage with those who challenge your thinking and inspire growth. By applying Kiyosaki's principles, you can shift from just earning money to creating lasting wealth. The key is to start now, focus on building assets, and continuously educate yourself to stay ahead in the financial game. Wealth isn't just about numbers, it's about strategy, mindset, and action.